What's going on, guys? I got a new cross slide table, also known as an XY table. Let's open this up. This is how it came. It was all beat up and broken and all that, so. Voila. Look like the handles. There are some mounting holes in here. There's there, and then there's two more in the back. And there's two more in the back. So let me go get some bolts real quick. So these are just some 5/16 bolts with the nylon washer in there so it doesn't back itself out. It comes with some T-nuts. Also comes with these little acorn nuts and no instructions. But it does have a little key slot, and we'll put these little keys in the key slot. See how well you can see this. If you look right in here, that paint is caked on pretty thick. Let's see all the paint coming on. Put that key in there. With these, like that. Okay, and again, we're gonna make sure we get all of the paint and junk out of there. I think I did pretty good on that. So. Line this up. There we go. Give it a couple taps with the dead blow hammer. That went on way better. Okay. Put the acorn screw back on. Okay. Okay, so here's where we're at. These don't quite line up. I want this as far this way as possible. So if you look now, this is as far this way as it'll go, and there's still about an inch or so left of the work table. Now I can slide this all the way back. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is it's going to be hard to drill this, but I'm going to do the best I can, because all I need is just a little bit to slip 2 bolts in. I'll go ahead and do that. My battery's about to die, so let me do that. All I'm going to do is just drill it out and put those bolts in, and I'll get back with you.